What I would like you to think about is getting your weight forward. To really focus on extending your back toe. Every time you do a good walk, you want your back toe to be turned out so your thigh can turn out and your hip can turn out. Now, if we're going to curve this in a room, this is how it would look. So we'll count it out together. We'll go 2, 3, 4, 1, then walk. 2, 3, 4, spiral on the 1, left foot forward. 2, 3, side 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then the other way, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You can see you can make adjustments based upon furniture, things around. If you understand how to start using your body weight properly, how to settle it, how to use your feet strongly, this is why it's next level. It's not particularly difficult doing progressive walks. I mean, that's a staple of good rumba. You should be focusing on those and mastering those every day and every time you practice. What gets difficult? Changing direction, going backwards, right? Creating these movements where it's a little bit harder because you do a spiral now and you lose balance. Now, you might have seen my arms be a bit different during spirals. Part of that's because of the ceiling. I actually will hit it if I go right up, and also the camera, I might be out of frame. But your spiral with your arms, you can use them, right, to go right up and then have your left arm around you and then bring it out and back as you create your walks, right? You can also use your arms to come up and above your head, so you can bring them together, do your spiral, and then come through. It honestly depends on your dancing ability, but you should be focusing on using them to balance. So if you do a spiral and keep them flat, that's okay for balance. It's not going to look very good, all right? Just make sure that they do something, because otherwise they're going to throw you right off. Focus on getting the best cross you can, okay, and then come out on beat 2. Now, you're going to have lots of questions, especially because of the shape of the room, but like I always say to my students, no excuses. I don't care about the size of the floor. I don't care about if you're slippery, if there's floors fast or slow, big, fat, tall, slim. They're just excuses. We will make it work, right? We've got to create the space. That's why you saw when I was curving it, that's how I would practice myself. That's, you know, if I needed to practice, I would just start practicing. If I didn't have the room, I make the room, right? That's just how it's got to be, because on a social dance floor, there's people there. On a competition floor, everybody's fighting for space. So you've got to know how to make these steps work for you. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Leave me a comment below. I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock for you to try now, and I look forward to hearing about your comments. Off we go now.